Hey there! Keeping track of what you've read turns reading from something that just happens into something you can actually see yourself doing. Let me walk you through the personal book and reading tracker, tab by tab. Start on the dashboard. Books finished, pages read, your average rating, and how you're tracking against your goal for the year. The book log is the main record. Title, author, genre, page count, dates, format, and your rating, one row per book. Currently, reading shows what's open right now and how far through each one you are. The TBR list is your to-be-read pile, with priority and where each book came from, so recommendations don't get lost. Reading Challenge tracks your annual goal and your pace, whether you're ahead or need to pick it up. Genre. Analysis breaks down what you actually read against what you think you read. It is usually a surprise. The Book Club tab holds your picks, meeting dates, and discussion notes. Library Holds tracks what you've requested and when it's likely to come in, so you don't lose your place in the queue. Favorite Quotes is where the lines you highlighted go, with the book and page so you can actually find them again. Annual Wrap-Up gives you your year in reading, totals, favorites, and standouts. And the Author Tracker shows who you keep coming back to and which of their books you've still got left. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.